Chapter 18. Helen's decision to go to Harvard. Helen wanted to go to college, and for this she decided to go to Harvard and study there with normal students. Normal students संगरे से बसिकरी से पढ़िए बोली हैला. Her true friends opposed her decision. हैला. कौन हेटी जो, but she remained firm. से firm माने कौन रहले जिद्दी कले. It was thus decided that Helen would join the Cambridge School in order to prepare for Radcliffe. What कौन Radcliffe बोले परीक्षा हैला. So नहीं Radcliffe आउट जिनस हैला. No prepare for Radcliffe. Okay. तेणु से Radcliffe पाई से प्रिपेयर करिवे. Would join अच्छा Cambridge को जीवे. So she entered the Cambridge School in October 1896. Miss Sullivan attended the classes with her and interpreted to Helen what the teachers taught. Sullivan भी ता संगे गले खाली तांको बुझेया पे हैला. Helen studied English history, English literature, German, Latin composition, etc. So पढ़िले. Her teachers found her English adequate. भलो से English जानिचंदी. Adequate माने भलो की जानिचंदी. She made a good start in French. French रे भी से भलो कले. She was quite familiar with German. German भी से जानिथिला. Okay. तापर आसला Helen's peculiar problems. Helen को पई कौन problem है? Miss Sullivan could not spell out in Helen's hand all that the books required. Okay. So she सब गुड़ा लिखी पारलेन तांगा हाथ रे. हाथ रे सब लिखी दियंदी ना. से सब बुझ जांदी. बुझ पारछन नै? Sullivan could not spell out in Helen's hand all that the books required. Hala. It was difficult to have textbooks embossed in embossed in time to be of use to her. So it was difficult to have textbooks embossed in time. Okay. To be of use to her. Textbooks भी तांगा पाखे नथिला. She had to copy her Latin in Braille. Okay, Braille, so that she could recite with the other girls. So Braille रे से लिखी दिया हला. Braille रे हला, so that she could recite. से पढ़ी परिवे, गाई परिवे. Her instructors began to understand her imperfect speech. से माने भी जानी पारले ये कथा तो कहि परनी. Instructor भी बुझिले नहीं की. Each day Miss Sullivan went to these classes with Helen and spelled in her hand. हाथ में लिखी दियंदी. All that the teacher said. Fran Grott, her German teacher, and Mr. Gilman, the principal, were the only teachers who learned the finger alphabet to give her instructions. Okay. So finger alphabets भी से माने जानी थिले. तेनो तांको पढ़ाते हेलेन को होला. Miss Sullivan had to do most of the tedious work. Sullivan को बहुत काम करिया को पड़े. एको बुझिया पे. Various subjects of study. That year Helen finished arithmetic and reviewed her Latin grammar. Arithmetic भी पढ़ी सारले. Grammar भी पढ़ी सारले Latin grammar. She read many good writings in German, especially Schiller's wonderful lyrics. पढ़िले. The history of Frederick, the great achievements and accounts of Goethe's life. लोगों को विषय पढ़िले. Mr. Gilman taught her English literature and she read आउरी कौन पढ़ले As You Like It, Burke करो Burke गोटे author Burke's speech on conciliation with America, speech on conciliation with America, and Macaulay out author Life of Samuel Johnson, ये वहीटा से पढ़ ले. She found Burke's speech very instructive. She wondered how King George and his ministers could ignore his warning and a prophecy of America's victory. अच्छा का Burke's. After reading Macaulay's Life of Samuel Johnson, she began to visualize and sympathize with Johnson. Okay. Johnson, Samuel Johnson, who ate the bread of affliction in Grove Street. Okay. इस बहिरे कौन अच्छी है सब सही तापर एंजॉयबल कंपनी कौन कौन सब सांग मिलते at the school Helen enjoyed the companionship of seeing and hearing girls. Okay, so तांकू मिलिथिला जो माने देखि पारुचंती सुनी पारुचंती से बळिया गर्ल्स of her own age हला भलो पिल्ला भलो माने सुस्त पिलांगो संग मिलिथिला. Some of the girls learned to speak to her. Some of the girls learned to speak to her. At Christmas, her mother and sister spent the holidays with her. At Christmas, her mother and sister spent the holidays with her, and Mr. Gilman kindly offered to let her sister, Mildred, study in his school. She called Mildred भी पढ़ू. Both the sisters spent time helping each other in study. से माने दिजन जाको पढ़ी. Examinations for Radcliffe. Helen took her preliminary examinations for Radcliffe from the 29th of June to the 3rd of July in 1897. The subjects she offered were elementary and advanced German, French, Latin, English, and Greek, and Roman history. The candidate was required to pass in 16 hours, 12 hours, 0 being called elementary. Zero being called. Radcliffe से prepare कले from 29th of June to 3rd of July in 1897. The subjects he offered were elementary and advanced German, French, Latin, English, and Greek and Roman history. The candidate was required to pass in 16 hours, 12 hours being called elementary and 4 advanced. So 16 hours exam से देवे, तेरे 12 hours elementary में और 4 hours advanced में, है ना? Helen was allotted number 233 and she was allowed to use a typewriter alone in a room. So typewriter degree लेखुदिले, है ना? Mr. Gilman read all the papers to her by means of a manual alphabet. Gilman read all the papers to her. से पढ़ुतिले, question गुड़ा कहउतिले manually by manual alphabet हाथ रे करउतिले, से ताकर लेखुतिले, है ना? टाइप रे. Mr. Gilman spelled to her what she had written so that she could make necessary changes. आउ किसी जदि भी से लेखिबाटा भी से कहि दउथिले ये चेंज जहाँ करिया कथा करथिले हाथ रे बाडीगिरी later at Radcliffe no one read the paper to her for any correction. Okay, so ପରେ ଆଉ ତାକୁ correction ହେଇନି ହେଲା satisfactory results. Helen passed with higher credit in the preliminaries than in the finals. Higher credit preliminary रखिले. It was so because in the finals no one had read her work over to her. ହେଲା preliminary रे तांकू कहिथिले तमर एटा कोन हेची कोन नै से होतला किंतु लास्ट रे फाइनल ले केही रीड कलेनी हैला in the preliminaries she was already familiar with many subjects. The first preliminary was difficult. The day the Latin paper was brought to the class, Professor Schilling came in. He informed Helen that she had passed satisfactorily in German. This encouraged her greatly and she made preparations for the other papers with confidence. तापरे अन्य पेपर गुड़ा साहस हो गला परीक्षा दवा